So, first off, the answers to the central limit theorem homework. We went through the numerical answers of this last lesson. What we're trying to do now is just grade it. Some of you know if you've got 100% then it's an A star already. So the first question, the random sample of size 15, I gave 1 mark for stating the correct distribution of x bar, being 60, normally distributed 60 and 16/15. That's for 1 mark. And then the final 2 marks, there's a method mark for doing the stuff that you have to do, and there's an answer mark. So that first question is out of 3. The next question, which is this one you can see here on the board at the moment, this question is out of 4. There's 1 for stating the distribution of x bar. There are 2 method marks. You might not have done it the same way they've done it here, but there are 2 method marks, and there's a mark at the end for the answer. So that one is out of 4 marks. The third question, again, there's 1 mark for stating the distribution of x bar. Turn over. There are 2 method marks. There's 1 mark for getting that number from the tables, and there's a final answer mark. And that was worth 5 marks, which then just leaves the 4th question. The 4th question, which was this question here. So in part A, I gave a mark for the expected value and a mark for the variance, a mark for the distribution of x bar, a mark for getting that number, and an answer mark. So there are 5 marks altogether for part A. If anybody wants to borrow this and have a closer look in a minute, they can do. For part B, again, a mark for the expectation being 4.5, a mark for the variance being 2.25, a mark for the distribution of x bar. So that's 3 marks. I think there are 2 marks over the page. So a mark for that working out number and a mark for the final answer. So 5 marks for part B, 10 marks for that question altogether. That means that that paper is out of 22. A 3, 4, 5 and a 10 make 22, and there are the grade boundaries. So if you could grade that bit of work, fold it in half with your name and your grade, and then hand that back in, that would be great. Thank you.